पत्रम पुष्पम वाला वर्स, वाह। तो कृष्णा इज सो इजी टू प्लीज। अगर कोई गेस्ट आता है आपके घर में, यू गिव दम पत्रम पुष्पम फलम तोयम, वो क्या हैप्पी हो जाएंगे? अरे कम से कम हमको पनीर सब्जी और गुलाब जामुन चाहिए बस। समथिंग वी नीड, पनीर सब्जी गुलाब जामुन ऐसे बनेगा तो ही हम हैप्पी रहेंगे। अरे ना, एक एक व्यक्ति के लिए ऐसा बहुत बढ़िया सा पनीर सब्जी बनाया था, गुलाब जामुन बनाया, तो ही सेड आई डोंट लाइक पनीर, आई डोंट लाइक स्वीट, खत्म। वी वर चेकमेट। देन ही आस्क्ड व्हाट डू यू लाइक, तो उसने बड़ा लिस्ट बना बताया। हम लोग नहीं कर पाए कुछ। बट कृष्णा इज वेरी इजी टू प्लीज, सो नाइस ना। या मन मना भव भक्तो, द फोर इंस्ट्रक्शंस विच इज द क्रीम इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ गीता, कि मन मना भगवान के बारे में सोचना है, भव मत भक्तो भक्त बनना है, वी हैव टू मध्याजी वर्शिप कृष्णा, एंड माम नमस्कुरु ऑफर ओबेसेंसेस प्रणाम नमस्कार। वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू। अनन्य भक्ति के बारे में सीखा, we learned about the 81 opulences, we didn't see but we saw 20 opulences of Krishna, very nice. And okay, Krishna always thinks of me, be my devote. Okay, fine, that's done. Eligibility to learn this confidential knowledge, you have to give up envy. Without envy we can't learn the science of bhakti. नहीं, पॉसिबल नहीं है। कृष्णा इज एवरीवेयर, सन मून वाटर लायन, वाह। विभूति याद भी कर लिया आप लोगों ने, बढ़िया। Do everything for Krishna. That's the whole essence. That's the only way you remember Krishna. Bhagavad Gita is a condensed form of Srimad Bhagavatam. And okay, this material world is Dukhalayam Ashashvatam. This is the point from 8th chapter. But anyway, no problem. Good morning. Yat to karoshi yad ashnasi yad juhoshi dadasi yat. Do whatever you do it for Krishna. Okay. Topmost is Japa Yajna. ये सबसे cream है. कर रहे हैं ना आप सब लोग जपा? You're all doing ना every day? Without fail रोज पूछूंगा. I'll keep asking. It was confusing when Krishna is omnipresent, then Vibhuti, special idols. Don't worry. Why? He can have DT also. DT form. Paramatma के रूप में है, सर्वव्यापी है, and in DT form also you can worship Krishna. There's no problem. Today we're going to study about that only. See, भले water vapor is everywhere. You don't stick out your tongue and you drink water. ऐसे करके water थोड़ी पीते हैं आप. You go to filter, you open that knob, and then you take water. Correct? That's the way to drink water. उसी प्रकार भगवान is सर्वव्यापी. He's everywhere. That's why he's called as Vasudev. Vasa means what? Vas means having a residence. Vasudev मतलब जिनका कण कण में वास है, who lives in every single space and even between some space. कुछ भी है जहाँ जगह मिल जाती है, he stays there. He's called Vasudev. So he is everywhere, but we cannot serve him everywhere ना. कहाँ प्लेट लेके कहाँ जाएंगे? चलो आपको खिलाना है. I want to give you some laddu or I want to give you paneer sabji and gulab jamun. ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. पनीर सब्जी गुलाब जामुन खिलाना है, किधर किधर ले लो, come take it. That's not a very personal approach. All right. So we need the DT form like that. And Lord agrees to appear as DT form. If he can be everywhere, why he cannot be in DTs? Yes. Okay. Fix our mind on Krishna. Practical. Cream biscuit 9 chapter. वाह वो example छा गया cream biscuit वाला. Should not envy others. Material world is just the 1/4 of the opulence. अभी ये 1/4 opulence तो कम से कम दिखा दीजिए. That was a request made by Arjuna. So here is where we go to the next. I request the hosts BYC to kindly make me also co-host, because right now I'm any other participant without any power. Now I'm feeling आप लोगों को कैसा लगता होगा? I'm feeling like that. एक बार mute हो गया, permanently mute हो जाऊंगा. So I request BYC to please make me a co-host. Thank God I didn't mute. Yes, thank you for the empowerment. I'm back. Yes, universe. How is that, Krishna? You are there in this whole universe. You're pervading the whole universe. Your energy is there in the whole universe. मुझे वो universal form देखना है. This is what Arjuna wanted. So welcome today to the Gita Art of Life, Art of Perceiving God, session 11, based on chapter 11 by your spiritual friend Sanatana Dharmadas. We'll start with prayers. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. नमा ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिन् इति नामिने. नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयति गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदीनतारिणं श्रीचैतन्यमीश्वरं परमानन्दमाधवम्। Hare Krishna. Once again, welcome everybody. Very happy to be with all of you. And this is a subject matter which is very exciting and interesting. बहुत लोगों को बहुत ये चैप्टर गीता में सबसे अच्छा चैप्टर, स्पेशली जिन्होंने पढ़ा नहीं है ना, who have not studied गीता, उनको 11th चैप्टर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Something very mysterious, mystical, हाँ, universal form. ऐसे अमेजमेंट रखता है. What have you all heard about universal form? I want to really know that. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आप सबसे. I want to know कि what have you heard so far about universal form? Anything? जो भी आपने सुना है, पढ़ा है, देखा है. No, people watch the television serials and all. And Ramanand Sagar, P.R. Chopra. Arjuna asked for vision, okay, and then Krishna showed it. But what you feel about it? Okay, it's very scary. Okay. Galaxy, universal form. Arjun डर गया. It's horrifying, very huge. Arjuna was able to see himself also into that. But काफी ज्ञान है आप लोगों को. Unlimited form, yes. Arjun wants Krishna. Okay. 7 loka, infinite mouths, hands. Wish to see that. आपको भी देखना है. क्या बात है. अभी आज डिस्क्रिप्शन बताऊंगा, फिर देखते कितने लोगों को देखना है. Large space bubble, people eaten by universal form. Infinite. Krishna was chewing all warriors. Like chewing gum, kya? Okay, that's quite interesting. Everything. Virat Purush, people coming in its mouth. All right, all right, all right, all right. Thank you. We'll go ahead. Okay. So Krishna wanted to comply to the request of Arjuna. Or Krishna ne kaha, first thing he said this, Arjuna, you actually cannot see my universal form with your present eyes. So what I will do, Divyam dadami te chakshuhu. I will give you a divine eyes. You all gone for some, how many of you gone for 3D movies? 3D movie. So when you go for 3D movie, what do they give you? बाहर गॉगल्स बांटते हैं ना, एक स्पेशल गॉगल्स. उससे क्या होता है, 3D इफेक्ट आता है. और उसके बाद हमको लगता है हमको गॉगल गिफ्ट में मिल गया, बट व्हेन यू लिविंग दे विल टेक इट बैक. वो वापस ले लेते. सिमिलरली कृष्ण आल्सो गिव्स अर्जुना द स्पेशल गॉगल्स. दिव्यम ददामि ते चक्षुः, दिव्य चक्षु. यस, बिकॉज़ ही सेड अर्जुना, एक्चुअल रीजन बताता हूं. एक्चुअली कृष्णा सेज अर्जुना, यू हैव प्रेम चक्षु, यू हैव लव फॉर मी. व्हेन यू हैव लव फॉर मी, यू कैन नॉट सी एनी अदर, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अप्रिशिएट एनीथिंग एल्स. सो आई थोड़ा आपका लेवल कम करता हूं. थोड़ा लेवल कम करके कम टू दिस दिव्य चक्षु, एंड नाउ यू विल बी एबल टू सी माय यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म. ओके, ऑल राइट. सो चक्षु पहनना है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट दिस ग्लासेस? यू वांट? मैं दे रहा हूँ फ्री. और रख भी सकते हैं आप अपने पास. आई विल नॉट टेक इट बैक आफ्टर मूवी. So this is that chakshu. Something like this you can all imagine. Yes. जैसे चक्षु दिया, we are all able to see. दिख रहा है? Krishna said, "Pashyame yogameshwaram, yogameshwaryam." See my this mystic opulences. Behold, O Arjuna, my mystic opulences. ठीक से देखो. I'll give you 3-4 seconds time. Please watch. Okay. अभी जो जो दिखा आपको सब स्टार्ट करो. 12 Adityas, 11 Rudras, 8 Vasus, 2 Ashwini Kumaras. Everything in Krishna. ये तो previous answer था. Okay. There are snakes. सांप देख के डर गए. सांप का नाम सुनते लोग भाग जाते हैं. Okay. Demigods, snakes. There is Ananta, Vasuki, fire emanating from mouth. Infinite form it is. Hands, legs, heads, whatever you see, everything is infinite. Okay. Shiva and all demigods, they were also there. The Vishnu form also there. Narada is there. He's a Shakta Vish avatar, so he's also there. Everywhere there is some form of Krishna. He's all pervading. Okay, happy face, angry face, all varieties of expressions. Your face has 80 muscles, and the permutation and combination of all these 80 muscles, everything is displayed. Nice, infinite. God can make such expressions which even you and I cannot make. जितना भी try किया तो we can make that. So we see all expressions. This is not a madhurya roop. Some of them are telling ये थोड़ा मधुर नहीं है. Normally Krishna has a mandahasa, a very nice smile, and that's the madhurya roop. बट ये माधुर्य रूप नहीं, थोड़ा भयंकर रूप है. ओके. हाँ, माउंटेन्स विथ ऑल गॉड्स पिक्चर्स. ओके, ऑल राइट. और क्या दिखा? द अदर अवतारास, देवी, प्रकृति, शी इज ऑल्सो देयर. अर्जुना इज ऑल्सो देयर. ओके, अर्जुना इज वाचिंग ना. ओके, फिर थंडर, लाइटनिंग, वाटर, भूमि, रापो, नलो, वायु, खम, मनो, बुद्धि, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. ऑल यूनिवर्सिटीज. Oh, you found your college here? University मिल गया? You studied there? Okay, endless earth, all things. Very nice. You're all actually very good students. Claps for you. मेरी तरफ से. Good. You have good observation power. They're good student. Because whenever I had asked, I had gone to a college, I told you all know Virat Purusha. They said only we know Virat Kohli. We don't know Purusha. हम सिर्फ विराट कोहली को जानते हैं. But you all know so much. Very nice. So that means the universal form contains the sum totality of all energies of Krishna, all incarnations of Krishna, all the elements of this material world. It contains everything. So the universal form is nothing but total universe together. And this is an impersonal form of Krishna, not personal form. It's impersonal. Sum total of everything. जितने भी आदमी है, जितने जानवर हैं, सब कुछ. Totality of everything. Sum total. We use na mathematics, we use the word symbol sigma. Sum total, like that is everything, the totality. Total elements, सब कुछ मिला के जो होता है, all planetary systems, all physical elements. Physical elements like mountains. Mountains are the bones of Krishna. The trees and grass, they are the hairs of Krishna. The sun and moon, Anadi Madhyanta Mananta Viryam Ananta Bahu Shashi Surya Netram. So this moon and sun, they are the two eyes of Krishna. So like that, uh, these physical elements are also different uh, parts of Krishna. Ashwini Kumaras, as many of you said, they are the nostrils of Krishna. Indra is the Bahubal of Krishna. From there only Bahubali came. Bahubali comes from Bahubal, the strength of Krishna. All the Varnashrams, they originate from Krishna. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, they also originate from Krishna. The ashramas also originate from Krishna. Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sanya, sab kuch jo hai, this universal, the totality, this is the universal form. So Arjuna sitting in one place was able to see, like right now, I'm sitting on my personal computer and I'm able to see 25 videos. भले और लोगों ने भी वीडियो ऑन किया है, सबको देख रहा हूं मैं, but I have to keep switching the screen. Yes. And then I'm able to see all of you. And कुछ लोगों ने वीडियो नहीं ऑन किया, उनको भी देख रहा हूं मैं, सिर्फ नाम उनके देख रहा हूं. So Krishna doesn't need CCTV to. If you all turn off camera also, Krishna can see you, right? So यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो I can only see 25 people in one screen. That's all. उससे ऊपर नहीं. फिर दूसरा किया और 50, 50 आ गए. Venkat Sai, Anurag and all, I'm able to see him. You're on my second screen. Yes. Third screen is all blank. जिन्होंने वीडियो ऑफ रखने आप, they are saving their bandwidth for something else. I don't know. So they are saving energy. यहाँ पे energy spend करना चाहिए. Please turn on. Right? So Arjuna saw the entire totality of everything sitting in one place. And Krishna told that this is a Kala Roop. यानी कि ऐसा फॉर्म मैंने किसी को नहीं दिखाया. सी कृष्णा हैज शोड विश्वरूप बिफोर आल्सो. पता है आपको कहां कहां दिखाया? ट्राई करो. ये शोड. गूगल मत करना प्लीज. याद है तो बता दीजिए. Yes, to Yashoda, Rupali ji, you're right. To his mother, he opened the mouth and she saw that was universal form. She was able to see all the universes. And the whose universe में she saw herself also looking into the mouth of Krishna. चक्कर खा के गिर गई. Correct. Duryodhan and party, they were not able to see universal form. He showed, but these fellows were not having the Divya Chakshu to see. They were not. So they only saw some light. They tried to hide like this. They were not able. Only four personalities were able to see. Vidura, there was Dronacharya, Bhishma, and Dhritarashtra. He begged. अरे मेरे को दे, मेरे को आपने, I don't have eyes to see at all, but with my, I will have a great satisfaction if I see your Virat Purush. So he also could see because he requested. बहुत अर्ज, बहुत ही intensely request किया, मेरे को देखना है बोल के. So he was allowed to see. To Akrurji, he didn't show universal form. To Akrurji inside water, he showed that Krishna, Balram are Ananta Shesh and Vishnu. He did not show universal form. Bhishma Pitama saw, correct. Kurukshetra Bhumi, and then finally Kurukshetra Bhumi. But the Kurukshetra Bhumi which Arjuna saw, that Vishwarup is Kala Roop, which means Arjun could see even the past, present, and future. Won't that be very disturbing? पहले पहले जमाने में there used to be busy managers. अभी अभी नहीं है, पहले there used to have 6 7 landlines on their table. How many of you seen this? At least in some movie you have seen. There are many landlines. And हर कोई लैंडलाइन बजता रहता है. And they, हाँ हेलो, हाँ आप होल्ड कीजिए, दूसरा फोन आ रहा है, हाँ हेलो, नहीं आप नहीं, आप नहीं, आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. Then third phone rings. So such fellows become busy. And imagine how difficult it is to be God. जितने जीवात्मा है उतने सारे फोन बजेंगे एक साथ. Everybody is desiring. So similarly, this vision also was very disturbing because Arjuna was able to see everyone and everything together at same time along with their past track record also. Yes, past जो था, future भी, everything he was able to see. So that was the time when it is a very disturbing thing. It's a very disturbing thing, right? सब कुछ एक साथ देखना. So that was the experience which Arjuna underwent. देख लो, आप भी देख लो, close up. फिर से, once more. Yeah. So these are all soldiers entering into mouth of Krishna and they're going to be crushed. Their skulls are going to be crushed. So seeing all this, yeah, dekha, sun, instead of beautiful eyes, Krishna is called Kamal Lochan, but this is Surya and Shashi Lochanam. So Arjuna ka expression dekho, look at his expression. Yes, I want to see all of your expression. कैसा है? यहाँ पे भी कुछ लोग डर गए. What is this? Similarly, Arjun भी बहुत डर गया था. He was very scared. And then he said, "Oh my Lord, I would like to honestly tell, अब तक मैं बिल्कुल ठीक था, but now my mind is disturbed by fear." So then after that, Lord Krishna showed 400 form. क्योंकि वो अर्जुन डर रहा था, then he showed 400 form. Then after seeing 400 form also, Arjuna was not so happy. Then he showed him original 200 form. After showing him 200 form, Krishna told, "Hey Arjuna, this particular form is called Sudurdarsham. And I originally exist in this form of 200 form, and even Devatas have not properly taken darshan of my 200 form. So Virat Purush is rare, but rarer than Virat Purush is the 400 form. Even uh, if you see in the Samudra Manthan Leela, Bhagavatam, I was recently studying, that time it is spoken that Narayana's form is called as Adrishta Rupam. That means even Brahma had never seen Narayana. So rarer than Brahma, this in Virat Purusha is the 400 form of Lord, Narayana form. But rarer than that is the 200 form of Krishna. That means 200 form of the Krishna is the rarest. And Krishna says this is the best form of mine. One, two, three. Here you can see three forms. So Krishna is telling, see, this is the rarest form that you are able to see. Sudurdarshanam. One may ask that who can see this 200 form of Krishna? Because this is the rarest form. Who can see? So Krishna gives the solution. One can see the rarest form by only Ananya Bhakti. Bhaktastvανanya shakya ahameva vidorjana jnatum drashtum cha tatvena praveshtum cha parantapa. This is only a person who is an Ananya Bhakta. Anya. Anya means what? Anya means Anya. Everyone else. Ananya means who doesn't go anywhere else. Who's only focused on Krishna. Such a person can see my form. I'd like to tell you a story. You like to hear? Sunna? Okay. So there was a man, and this is in Vedic time story, not in modern time. Now, if you don't have water and you want some water, what you'll do now? अभी हम लोग simple है. We'll call, just dial phone किया. What are all the people who give that water dispenser? मेरे को लेके आओ. Or Kent purifier, whatever we call like that. But Vedic time, if you want water, what you have to do? You have to put efforts, मेहनत करके, जो है we have to dig. We have to dig the earth, dig the ground, and that's how you will get water. By digging, mehnat karke. See, this body is meant for doing mehnat, and because we are not doing mehnat, that is why so many diseases are coming. ये शरीर मेहनत करने के लिए बना है. So Vedic times was very nice time. Everyone has to get water. You have to dig. So there was one person who was digging for some time. और बोला अरे पानी नहीं है इसमें, तो मैं वहाँ dig करता हूँ. So he used to go there and dig. इधर भी पानी नहीं है. Here also there's no water. So he used to go to another place and dig. अरे किधर भी पानी नहीं है. Then one wise man came. He said, "You are a fool. You have to dig in one place properly. एक जगह पे ठीक से खोदो, खोदो, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, keep doing, and after that then you will find water. So similarly we have to be ananya. Ananya means focused only towards Krishna. That is called ananya bhakti. And only such a ananya bhakta who is undivided in one's devotional service will get the qualification to see the rarest form of Krishna, which is the two-handed form of Krishna. Baki nahi. Then Arjuna had a question. Okay, rarest is the two-handed form, I agree. But should I worship two-handed form or Brahman? अभी last clarify करना. मैं क्या करूं? Should I worship the two-handed form or should I worship the impersonal Brahman? Impersonal Brahman is the Virat Purusha. Yes, should I worship that or this? That is the subject matter of our 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So please stay tuned. Hare Krishna. I'll quickly revise what we studied today. एक मिनट, मैं क्यों रिवीजन करूं? रिवीजन आप लोग करोगे. You're all sharp people, sharp audience. You go ahead. The recording of this session is always there on the YouTube. You can see it. A quick revision. Please type कीजिए please. ओके, लास्ट. आरव इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. लास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट बता दिया. अनन्य भक्ति करना है, वैसे हम भगवान को देख पाएंगे. वी कैन सी द टू-हैंडेड फॉर्म. सुदूरदर्शितम इज द फॉर्म ऑफ कृष्णा. यस. Aishwarya Jadhav, she is saying the divine vision to see Krishna was given to Arjuna. Very nice. Krishnadas Abhijit Prabhu is saying विराट रूप का आज हमने दर्शन ले लिया. That is rare. But rarer is the four-handed form and the rarest is two-handed form. ये पता था किसी को? People are thinking, अरे विराट पुरुष, wow, wow, so amazing, कब दिखने को मिलेगा? But today you understand विराट रूप की असलियत. Not विराट कोहली बाबा, विराट रूप. Arman. So we understand that that is not something which is very rare. Rarest is the two-handed form. He's a beautiful avatar, the Saumya avatar. So Arjuna was disturbed and he was completely horrified and fearful after seeing the Virat Purush. He was not happy. It was not a happy experience. Yes. Okay. So two-handed form is the rarest. Itna aa gaya to aa gaya. You already used everything. The four people saw Virat Roop. Okay. Arjuna saw all Roops, past, present, and future. This is a Kala Roop, a special Rupa. Very nice. So even Brahmaji could not have did not see Narayan's form also. So you can see how rare is two-handed form of Krishna. Actually, rare is two-handed form of Krishna's glories. कि यही सबसे rarest form है. That is rare. People knowing that two-handed form is the rarest. That knowledge of that is rare. Very nice. Very good points. Ananya Bhakti for Krishna. We should worship two-handed form, which is the rarest. Arjuna questioned, which form should I worship? So tomorrow we will be seeing which form to worship, the impersonal or the personal. किस प्रकार की worship करनी चाहिए, which upasana to perform, that will be clearly seen. And now we will do the chanting. Please don't leave, कहीं जाइए मत. Chanting करेंगे, okay? And then we have Q&A for a long time today. Yes. Just a recap for all of you. If you understand 200 form of Krishna is the rarest, that's it. That's the success of today's class. And Virat Purusha is inferior form. And that was not such a pleasurable form also. Okay. So I request Dhruvin Prabhu to kindly unmute to repeat after me the Panchatattva mantra. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
Prabhu Nityananda
प्रभु नित्यानंद
Shri Advaita Gadadhara
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद.
This is supposed to be chanted 108 times. We'll chant 10 times. Please repeat after me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Recite along. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Thank you all very much. Please explain each and every word of the Panchatattva. It's not Panchatantra mantra, it's Panchatattva mantra. Well, these are five personalities. They are names of five personalities who are the inaugurators of the Sankirtan movement. Even if I were to explain you right now, you will not be able to understand because this is postdoc study. There are basically five tattvas in the Panchatattva. There is Pancharatriki tattva, there is Rasa tattva, there is Bhava tattva, there is Prema tattva, there is Bhakti tattva. These five tattvas together, they are called the Pancha tattva. So each one of them explanation, detail, both. Using milk is good. क्या बात है? Milk का question. मैं पीने वाला हूँ अभी. Using milk is good or not for Abhishek, okay? Or for personal use because today's world dairy farms are hells for animals. So personally, we have a farm, our devotees farm where they treat cows with a lot of love and care. So we take milk only from there. जहाँ गौ माता की सेवा अच्छे से की जाती है, we take from there. Otherwise, other places cows are abused heavily. I personally, when I go to Goshala, I personally do Go Seva. I go and rub their bodies. Especially यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनको. We go and rub that. They also like it very much. We do Seva. Only then we take Seva from them. What is the difference between two-handed form and normal form of avatar of Krishna? Krishna's form is not normal, first of all. Yeah. So regular form we can write. So Krishna's is the two-handed form. That's his regular. See, Bible also says man is made in the image of God. Yeah. So Krishna has made all of us like that. Correct. There's no difference as such. Krishna is not avatar. He's avatari, the source of all the forms. Prabhu, two-handed form is the rarest. Then why Bhishma Dev at death requested Lord to show universal form? Bhishma Dev did not request to show universal form. He showed him to show the four-handed form. Because he was attached to Vasudev Krishna, not the Vrindavan Krishna. So Vasudev Krishna is the same personality who appeared in the jail of Kamsa in four-handed. Correct? दोनों baby भी था और four-handed भी था. So he came as four-handed also. And then देवकी थोड़ा टेंशन में आ गया. अरे सब बोलेंगे देवकी का बच्चा चार चार हाथ है. सब क्या बोलेंगे? तो थोड़ा नॉर्मल हो जाओ ना. The regular child. Let me have the pleasure of having a regular baby. And that's why Krishna appeared as a baby. So that he's the Vasudev Krishna. He's also Krishna only with four hands. He was attached to Vasudev Krishna. If somebody already feels that sambandh with any other deity, example Shiva, can their bhakti not lead to Godhead? No, it cannot be. Because bhakti can only be done for Bhagavan, not for Devata. Shiva is Devata. And he himself is a devotee. I have had many instances where the this is the question of Richa Maheshwari ji. Sorry, I'm not taking names. Those who wish, if they want, they can raise their hand so that I can see and personally address. So there are many people who have worshipped Shiva without any motives. Like selfless service वैसा किया, they become Vaishnavas. I have many examples like this. Yeah. Yeah. Rupali ji herself is an example of that. She shares. I also used to do selfless Shiva Bhakti. I was sent to worship Krishna. Yes, very nice. If yes, but then Mrityunjay mantra also speaks of being apart from Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urva Rukme Vandanat Mrityor Moksheva Mamratat. Yes, it does speak. Shiva can award immortality if you take shelter of him. He can. But we need to understand that when Shiva is approached as a demigod, usually people approach him for material benefits. Because you see, Shiva has very good association. He has Chandra. Chandra has Somras. So those who want Somras, they also go to Shiva. His wife, Bhavani, she is very good at giving all material desires. जो भी किसको गाड़ी बीवी बंगला वो सब चाहिए वो सब मिल जाएगा. And somebody wants to become wealthy, he has another friend, Kuber, that is there. But if you approach Shiva as a Vaishnava, he will give you bhakti. That is the real Amritatva. That's the real glory of Shiva. But Shiva very clearly says, He himself says in Padma Puran that Mukti Pradata Sarvesham Vishnu Revana Samshaya. Without Vishnu's shelter, you will not get Mukti. He mentions this. Amnesh Kumarji, can I eat non-veg and still chant Hare Krishna mantra Guruji because I stay in Gulf country where being vegetarian is a little bit difficult. Can you please suggest? I guess you first chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Yes, you chant more. अच्छे से chanting कीजिए. And then definitely you will get the right inspiration and reason to be non-violent. Ruin True, आप इधर ही है. I didn't
Yes.
notice. We'll have a rapid fire. Please go ahead.
तो रंजन जी ने पूछा था कि अर्जुना seeing future means the future is predetermined or we have the chance to
Please
build our
ask them to appear also. किनका क्वेश्चन है?
Himanshu Ranjan.
Himanshu Ranjan ji. So Arjuna seeing the future here in this contest doesn't refer that the future is no, the situations, the conditions, they are all predetermined, but how you respond is very important. That is not predetermined. Now Duryodhan has performed sinful activities, so that fellow will go to hell, that is sure. But in hell what he will do, that is not sure. In hell also he can become devotee of Krishna. See, that free will is there. If he realizes, oh kya kar diya maine, I offended the Pandavas, let me become devotee, you can become repentant. See, Lord Ram told very clearly, Vibhishan तुमको जो है लंका का राजा बना देंगे. Done. And Abhishek bhi kar diya. Hanuman had a question, Bhagwan, what if Ravana comes and surrender? He doesn't say, Ram didn't say, I know the future. Na like kabhi nahi aayega surrender karne ke liye. He didn't say that. That useless fellow will never come. वो पागल का पागल ही रहेगा, बेवकूफ रहेगा वो. He never said. He said, yes, there is a possibility. So if he comes, I'll give him Ayodhya. Hanuman was very happy. क्या बात है, क्योंकि लंका ऑलरेडी दे दिया ना, इनको अयोध्या दे देंगे. वेरी हैप्पी. देन ही गॉट अगेन डाउट, बट अयोध्या तो भरत को दे दिया ना आपने, यू गिवन अयोध्या टू भरत. से डोंट वरी, आई विल गिव माय वैकुंठा टू भरत. पूरा वैकुंठ लोग भरत को दे दूंगा मैं. आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग. सो दैट इज द ग्लोरी ऑफ लॉर्ड राम. So if a devotee changes heart, Lord Ram is willing to give all protection, and Lord can change the future.
Next question is by Aparna Rahul ji. वे पूछते हैं कि प्रभु जी what prevails at the time of the death, one's good karmas or spiritual service towards Lord?
What prevails at the time of death? Of course, both of them will definitely award you something. The good karma will award you material benefits, going to higher planets or something like that. But ultimately, it is bhakti which remains jindagi ke saath bhi, jindagi ke baad bhi. That is something applicable only for bhakti, not anything else.
सोहम दलाल जी का क्वेश्चन है, is God an energy or something, or how it is connected that God's energy?
God is
What is the right?
energetic. God is energetic. He is Shaktiman and he has Shakti. See, even in this world, you see common sense. अभी एक पत्थर खिड़की तोड़ के आएगा. If a stone breaks a window and comes inside, what do? We try to find, अरे किसने पत्थर फेंका? Yes, who threw that पत्थर? We find out, right? थोड़ा बाहर जाके देखते हैं, अरे कौन है बे? That's what people ask. Who is that? Why? Because people are sure behind every energy there is energetic person. So similarly, we see so many Shakti around. So behind the Shakti is Shaktiman, and that Shaktiman is Krishna. He is called a Sarva Shaktiman.
Rupali Rana ji का next question है, one cannot have pure knowledge. What does it mean, Prabhu ji?
Why you cannot have pure knowledge? You can have. You can have pure knowledge when you hear purely from a pure devotee. You can have pure knowledge. There's no question. You can clarify. I think she's not satisfied. You can clarify. We'll take. Yes. Go ahead.
Yes, I suppose I forgot. Sorry, apologies for that. I suppose like we can start with their question. We quickly jumped into the Q&A, but her turn was there to ask.
अच्छा उनका वो she was
Yes,
contestant, rollover
हाँ,
contestant. Yes.
बोलो.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, ये मैं बोल रही थी कि 10.11 मैंने जो पढ़ा था उसमें लिखा है कि
10.1 या 11?
10 मतलब 10 का .11
Okay.
उसमें लिखा है कि the modern philosophers think that without discriminating one cannot have pure knowledge. तो इसका मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
तेषाम एवानुकंपार्थम अहम अज्ञानजं तमः नाशयामि आत्मभावस्तो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वत. That is the shloka, correct? Yeah. So that shloka tells, वो बताता है आपको कि मॉडर्न फिलोसफर्स समझते हैं कि नॉलेज कैसे मिलेगा, खुद से मिलेगा, अपने आप से. हम लोग जो है पुस्तक पढ़ेंगे और फिर उसके बाद चीजों को देखेंगे. वी विल डू आवर ओन एक्सपेरिमेंट, वी विल डू आवर ओन ऑब्जर्वेशन, वी विल डू टेक आवर ओन इन्फ्लुएंस एंड वी विल प्रेजेंट आवर ओन फिलोसफी, आवर ओन थीसिस, एंड पीपल शुड एक्सेप्ट दैट. दिस इज मॉडर्न डे फिलोसफर्स. दिस हाउ साइंटिफिक माइंड्स थिंक. तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी के वो लोग वैसे ही करते हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे, उसके बाद ऑब्जर्वेशन, इन्फ्लुएंस, वो सब करेंगे. बट दैट्स नॉट द वे टू गेट स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज. दिस वर्स व्हाट इट सेज, तेषाम एवानुकंपार्थम, जब भगवान अनुकंपा दिखाते पार्थ, अहम अज्ञानजम तमः, सो आई एम द वन इन द हार्ट एज परमात्मा. अज्ञानजम तमः, जो डार्कनेस है, अज्ञान है, उसको मैं मिटा दूंगा. कैसे? ज्ञान दीपेन भास्वता, ज्ञान दीप से. दिस इज द वे टू गेट नॉलेज. क्या बात है. थ्रू इन थ्रू शेयरिंग श्लोका. Very nice.
Yes.
See here. Correct. अज्ञान के कारण जो तमः है, नाशयामि आत्मभावस्तः, मैं जो हृदय में हूँ, आत्मभाव स्थित, situated, ज्ञानदीप. This is the process of getting now. Go down. See your statement. It will come. Yeah, the Mayavadi philosophy, without discriminating, one cannot have pure knowledge. This discrimination is what? मतलब this here in this case, discrimination मतलब there is tarka. तर्क, टू डू तर्क मीन्स ठीक है हम लोग ये करेंगे, एनालिसिस करेंगे, पैरालिसिस हो जाएगा, वैसे. दैट काइंड ऑफ एनालिसिस इज कॉल्ड एज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हियर. फॉर देम आंसर इज थ्री. फॉर देम, अगला स्टेटमेंट, फॉर देम दिस आंसर इज गिवन by the Lord that those who are engaged in pure devotional service, even though they may be without sufficient education, they don't need to do the discrimination. The Vedic principle are still helped by the Lord. भगवान हेल्प करते हैं. This is what is told. This is our science. See, you can understand some knowledge, you will realize some other knowledge, but the final knowledge will be revealed to you by God. Understanding सुन के होगा, पढ़ के होगा. Realization करके होगा. When you do something, service, or you do bhakti, you will get some realization. But revelation वो भगवान देंगे. That's a gift. That's a gift.
Next question, Bhumi Saini ji का है. Prabhu ji, there are two words I am speaking. Like, what is the difference between those? The first word is Krishna Bhavana Bhavit, and the second one is Krishna Bhavana Amrut.
Actually पहला वाला आपने गलत सुना है. It's कृष्ण भावनामृत only. कृष्ण भावनामृत means कृष्ण consciousness. जो भी हम लोग अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, that is कृष्ण consciousness. To think of man mana bhavamat bhakto, that is Krishna consciousness.
Next question is by JP Singh ji. He is curious to know that how can we follow and do up, without aparad the japa.
मुश्किल होगा. बट सारे अपराधों की जड़ जो है, the root cause of all अपराधs in chanting is inattentiveness. If you can somehow eliminate this inattentiveness in japa, automatically all other aparadhas. See, two things you have to do. Not to offend Vaishnavas is one aparadh we often commit, and second one is being inattentive in japa. That is the mother of all offenses. So we try to be attentive as much as possible. Then we will not commit aparadh.
हर्षा बेलारी जी का क्वेश्चन है. Some people say Jai Shri Krishna and some people say Radhe Radhe. So which is correct and why so?
Nobody is wrong. All are correct. There's no problem. You can say we are in parampara, our gurus have given us Hare Krishna, so we say Hare Krishna. Now somebody tells me Jai Shri Krishna, you say hey, Jai Shri Krishna nahi bolna, Hare Krishna bolna. No, there are proper sampradayas which say Jai Shri Krishna also. There's no problem with that. But Radhe Radhe thoda kya hai? In one sense, that is for very esoteric people. They're calling the internal energy by her name. Actually, at least we have not been taught like that. We sing bhajans, Radha Krishna Pranamora, Jugala Kishore, Radha Krishna Bol Bol. So we sing the songs like that, which are given in Aparadha, but Radhe Radhe calling like that, at least I'm not qualified. So I will not do that.
Next question is by Soham Dalal ji. I am reading Gita. What you can suggest me to do it along with, and how shall I go with this?
Yes,
Who's
definitely.
suggesting?
All the very best. In fact, every one of you should read Gita. I'll be very happy if you all read the Bhagavad Gita. And I would suggest you first go through all the translations of a chapter. Chapter के सारे translations पढ़ लीजिए. You will get a rough flow of the chapter. And then after that, you read one verse with the purport. Very important. Because उसके बिना वो verse connect होगा ही नहीं आपको. We'll never get connected to the verse. So it's the Guru who connects us to Krishna. Similarly, Prabhupada's purports connects us to the message of Krishna. Without that, we cannot be connected.
So next question is by Vanishka Gohel ji. वे पूछते हैं कि can we control our anger by chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra?
Yes, I can see her. So Vanishka Goyal ji, our goal is not to control anger. Our goal is to channelize the anger in the right direction. That force can be channelized in the right direction, and we can definitely do something constructive and productive. Yes, Hare Krishna Mahamantra will give you that intelligence to channelize your anger properly. सही जगह गुस्सा दिखाने के लिए. Okay.
So I suppose like we have reached it's already 9 p.m. Prabhuji. So still
I
there
want
are so
I
many
wanted to
questions.
take few questions. अभी Dhruv and Prue, you can rest for some time. मैं बस रैपिड में लूंगा कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग अभी लॉक कर रहा हूँ मैं chat. I chant 32 to 35 mala every day, but still not satisfied. Why, Prabhu? Because they have to be quality. Quality means niraprada namaleya pabe premadhan. It has to be offenseless chanting. But how offenseless chanting will come? By chanting more. So please continue. Don't worry. Don't worry about satisfaction. Worry about service. Have this motivation that I am chanting for Krishna's pleasure. He will accept the service. बस भगवान खुश रहेंगे. मुझे भले कुछ नहीं मिले, भगवान देख रहे हैं आपको. आपको कुछ मिल नहीं रहा, फिर भी आप करोगे chanting. Yes. When you are getting pleasure, you are getting ecstasy. That's easy to chant. बट वो नहीं मिल रहा है, स्टिल करोगे चैंटिंग? यस, तभी भी मैं करूंगा. शो दिस डिटर्मिनेशन टू गॉड. गो अहेड, ऑल द बेस्ट. Can you please share the bhoga of anyone who wants bhoga offering mantra, Mangalacharan mantra, Mangalarti mantra, all these things? Dhruv and Prue, please take a note. Please send it in the group. In your previous lectures, you mentioned about offering to Lord and He accepts anything, definitely, provided you offer with love. And you don't have love, don't worry. Still offer, you'll develop love. Can you please explain how do we offer either flower, tulsi? Yes, that's bhoga offering mantra is there. You can understand through that. Does seeing Krishna's idol ne deities? I'll call it deities. Because idol sometimes is putla, which is there on the road. Nobody's taking care. The crows only take care of the putla. How the crows take care, you all know. So it's like ideally, it's not an ideal word, right? So it is deities. Okay. Deities in dream you are having. You're seeing Krishna's deities in dream. It has any significance? Definitely it has. Krishna is telling us to be Krishna conscious. I'm suffering, unhappy, uncontrolled mind. How can I control my mind and emotions? How can I get happiness and peace? Please refer to the fifth and sixth chapter of our Gita Art of Life. You will get the answer in detail. Jagatji. Okay. When will Kalki Avatar come, Prabhuji? Why इतना जल्दी आप लोगों को कल्कि के लिए? After 4,27,000 years. This is not, I'm not telling. Shastras tell. While walking with shoes, you can chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Okay. No problem. Some people say Jai Shri Krishna. Okay, that is Avatar. So we took all questions. Jai. Thank you all very much. Vrindavan Vasis gets chance to serve Krishna personally. How can we understand the purity and divine love of Rajvasis for increasing our love for Krishna? First we understand Kurukshetra Krishna, then Vrindavan Krishna. So Vrindavan ka rasta Kurukshetra se hoke hi jata hai. So you're in the right train. Please. What and very soon we are going to start Bhagavat, Srimad Bhagavatam, the matchless gift, where we are going to prepare our consciousness for the 31st Janmashtami. So every Friday, Saturday, Sunday we are going to have Krishna Katha. So please come for that. Okay, fine. ठीक है. Is heaven hell bhoga yoni? Yes. So how Duryodhana get liberated in hell? Duryodhana did not get liberated in hell. If he want, he had a choice. He has choice everywhere. Nobody can blame the circumstances to do bhakti. You can do bhakti under any circumstances. That's what I tried to say. Hare Krishna, thank you all very much. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ, आप सबके साथ. It was very nice, good experience. See you all tomorrow. Hare Krishna.